Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Mickey saves Santa.
'Twas the day before Christmas, when in the clubhouse, the friends had all gathered around Mickey Mouse. They gave Mickey lists that were written with care, and each hoped that Santa Claus soon would be there. Donald sat by a fire that burned golden red, while visions of fire trucks danced in his head. When up on the roof there arose such a clatter, the friends ran to the door to see what was the matter. When what to their wondering eyes should appear but Mrs. Claus riding a flying reindeer? She greeted the friends and then let them all know that without Mickey's help, Santa might never show. "Santa's in trouble, please go right away to Mistletoe Mount where he's stuck in his sleigh." Mickey explained there was no need to worry. "My good friends and I will get there in a hurry." He grabbed Mouse-Skatools and took Donald along. Then they jumped in the toon plane and shouted, "So long!" They zoomed through the sky on that cold winter day, and Toodles was there to help guide their way. Then suddenly clouds began blocking the sky. "We need help right now," Donald started to cry. Toodles came to the rescue without a delay, with a spotlight to shine through the sky dark and gray. And just when the North Pole appeared very near, they ran out of gas. Donald shivered with fear. "Oh no," shouted Mickey, "please help us get down. Count backward from 10 to get us to the ground." The friends looked around and could see mistletoe, but they didn't know how to get through all the snow. Then Toodles showed up with a tool they could wear. Each friend got a package of skis and a pair. "There's Santa! Oh gosh, are his reindeer all here?" Mickey counted to 8 and then gave a big cheer. But Santa showed Mickey his sled that had stopped, with a harness so broken it just sadly flopped. Then a mystery tool helped to save Christmas Day. The friends tied ribbons to fix Santa's sleigh. And Santa called out as he sped out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night."
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And for more Christmas stories, check out my Christmas playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. We'll see you all in the next video.